Welcome to the Spacelab Tools informational video. In this video, we will be looking at the adjustable spanner wrench. This spanner wrench is designed for installing 1-inch and 2-inch diameter retaining rings on our various lens tubes. It has an adjustable range from 15mm to 110mm to accommodate a wide variety of retaining rings. This spanner wrench comes with multiple attachments that can adjust custom lens sizes, including camera lenses. Let's take a look at the accessories included with the spanner wrench. Beginning with the tool types, this spanner wrench includes 2 flat blades, 2 pointed tips, and 2 modified blades. The 2 flat blades can be inserted into the slots on a retaining ring to secure it to a lens tube. The 2 pointed tips offer a more precise method of securing a smaller retaining ring to the lens tube. Finally, there are modified blades where a retaining ring can be secured but without having overhang that risks damaging the lens. Now, let's take a look at the screws and hex keys included in this kit. The spanner wrench comes with 6 pre-installed thumb screws, 4 of which lock the guide rails into place. These thumb screws offer an easy method for when you need to make multiple changes to the width of the wrench. Simply loosen the thumb screws, set this tool width to your desired location, and screw the thumb screws back in, all by hand. If you wish to secure the wrench in one location without having to change it, you can use the 4 M4X 0.7 cap screws and the included 3mm hex key. By replacing the thumb screws on the guide rails with these, you can secure the wrench in one particular location. Once you have your tool width to your desired location, use the included hex key to tighten the cap screws into place. Finally, there are 2 M4X 0.7 set screws with a 2mm hex key for you to use in place of the 2 thumb screws that secure the blades in place. This allows the user to secure their chosen blades to the tool if the user decides not to change the current blade and leave it for one purpose. Choose your desired tool of the 3 included, place the set screw in with the hex key opening face up, and secure the set screws to the tool. Let's look at an example of how this tool can be used. Here we have an RR10 retaining ring that we wish to secure to this 1-inch diameter, 2-inch long T10-20 lens tube. To start, insert the retaining ring and screw it in until the top of the ring is level with the top of the lens tube. At this point, we need the adjustable spanner wrench to continue. Insert the modified blades into the tool with the notches toward the center and secure them using the thumb screws. Now, let's set the adjustable spanner wrench to the correct width. With one side of the tool locked in place and the other loose, insert one blade in the slot on the retaining ring while adjusting the position of the second blade until it sits in the second slot. With both blades now in place, lock the loose side of the tool to the guide rails. With the tool now locked in place, you can screw in the retaining ring into the lens tube to your desired depth. Thanks for watching the Spacelab Tools informational video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more informational videos like this, consider subscribing. For more information about the spanner wrench and other Spacelab tool products, visit www.spacelabtools.com. Link is in the description below.